you doing, Eric?
Hello, Nick. Nice to see you.
So, people may not recognise you because we're Master, but we first met at...
Still me.
We first met at a music lesson with Copperland, I think, wasn't it? Not?
That was a long time ago, yes. In the meantime, our business is totally turned towards modular. And we have the Klavis brand, still as a product name, but there's a new company behind that, which is the one doing only modular stuff since 2018.
Okay,
so we have a range of 6 products currently all available and 2 new ones here at the top.
Okay, so what is it about your stuff? What is it about your stuff that makes it unique? I mean, there's quite a lot of digital control, I think, maybe, and, but I'm guessing. I don't know anything about it.
Okay.
Tell me.
So the typical profile of our products are products with some programmability. We have processors in any of them. They are all digital based, to the exception of this very new one, which is a very gentle, simple analog thing. And in every product we try to make something that you don't find anywhere else. And I believe we succeeded so far. And we try to continue in the same vein with the new ones also. Our 2 best sellers are still the Twin Waves, now in its new evolution in the Mark II version. We doubled the quantity of knobs, so now you have 6 controls instead of 3, which makes plenty of fun. With semi-modular pre-patching inside, so you even have a lot of interaction between the 2 sections without any patch cable. And the second really best-seller thing is the Quadige, which is our quad programmable envelope generator. With everything, CV control, morphing between presets, 7 stage envelopes and all of that.
So what's the new stuff?
The new stuff, small, simple things, before we come with another big monster thing. On the left, we have this small analog module that you put in front of any modulation. 2 sections identical, with a gain, an offset, and a polarity switch, which allows you to mute also in the middle. So you bring your signal, you adjust some level, you put some offset, and here you go. You can invert the signal, not the offset, which is nice, so that you just change the polarity, or you can keep it ready for fire later, at later time. Normalizing on input so that one may go to 2, or mixing on the output so 2 signals may become 1. You can even switch 2 settings, be ready, 1 in, 1 out, according to what you want to do live. And the other one is a new Logic module, so we have already one, which is the previous one here, the Logic AXT, which is still very, very appreciated because it has many unique functions you don't find anywhere. So we wanted to bring something which is maybe less frightening, less for the Logic nerds. And this new module is first to bring in 2 sections, 2 simple sections, but in the end, 15 different possible things. Here, instead of changing the function with calling it with the voltage can be used on some functions to set the duration of something or the percentage of something. For example, with random, you say, what are the chances that the signal go through randomly? And the voltage can change in real time, and everything works at audio rate if needed. You can adjust the pulse length, you have a clock multiplier divider in real time, and even a delay line, the digital delay line, but binary, of course, because it's a Logic module. The 2 sections can be cascaded, so you switch on the chain, and you set the polarity of that chain, and it's creating a 3rd virtual input into the 2nd section. So you have a 2 to 3 logical module. A lot of fun in the end.
Excellent. So
that's it.
So I'm curious because I think there's a lot of move towards more digital domain in modular stuff.
But you have also the counterbalancing for our side, yes, of course, because we are indeed very at ease with those domain of digital stuff. But you have also the people bringing more analog stuff also to balance all of that. And in the end, you have this magic mess where everybody can find what he likes.
A hybrid. So what sort of price range are your modules? What kind of price are your modules?
The new, we don't have any modules over 300, even the most expensive one, which is this one. And the new ones, the new Logic will be at the price of the previous one, and this should be less than €80.
Okay.
Taxes included.
Nice. So how are you finding manufacture at the moment? Because everybody's struggling with the components. How's it working?
I had the chance to work in the semiconductor business and also in the component retails So I know where to look for the signs to know in advance what to do. So I secured a whole bunch of processors and delicate pieces so that I can manufacture for the next 2 years.
Well done. Good,
Yes.
good foresight.
Yeah.
Lovely to talk to you. Well, actually, where do people find what's the website? Is it klavis.com?
The website simply klavis.com. Simply.
Klavis.com. Thank you very much.
Thanks to you.